In this example, we're going to look at the following problem. So let's say a hotel's records indicate that 65% of their guests are from Canada. A random sample of 12 guests is selected. What is the probability that more than 2 of them are not from Canada? Or what is the probability of more than 2 of them not being from Canada? Okay, so something we need to be mindful of here. We're talking about them not being from Canada. If we know that 65% of the guests or visitors are from Canada, then the odds of them not being from Canada will be 1 minus the 65%, which gives us 35%. So we have to be careful there. It's just a little bit of a trick if we switch up the story a bit here, that we give you the probability of the visitors being from Canada, but then ask you about a probability on the ones who are not from Canada. So again, that will be 1 minus the 65%, giving us a P of 35%. Little note, I've used the letter Q here for the 65. Q is really like a 1 minus P. It's just the opposite or the complement of the probability of success, whatever you're calling that. So this is really the second one here is what we're calling the probability of success. Okay, now if we want more than 2 of them not being from Canada, I'm just going to do a little number line here and just kind of picture this. So more than 2 is going to be 3 through to 12. That makes up more than 2 of them. That's what we really want. Now in Excel, using Binom.Dist, we're going to take a complement of the opposite of that, which is the 0, 1, and 2. And we do that by setting x to 2, this upper limit here. And then we use a Binom.Dist, put in the 2, grab our n, our p, use cumulative equal to true, or if you wanted to save a bit of typing, use a 1 there, and do one more thing. Okay, so this right here, this Excel call is going to give us the odds of 0, 1, and 2. It will give us the probability of at most 2. When we put in the 2 for the x, put a cumulative equal to true, it gives us the probability up to and equal to 2. Now, that is not what we want. We want the opposite of that, or the complement. So do a 1 minus that. 1 minus the Binom.Dist. So 1 minus Binom.Dist, and that will give us the probability of 3 through to 12. Or if you will, the probability of more than 2 of them not being from Canada. And let's see what that gives us. So 84.87%, or as a probability 0.8487. Okay, thanks for watching. That concludes this video.